Unit 10 Data Analysis. Number 1. Julie made 25 phone calls to London last month. The scatter plot below shows the length and cost of each phone call she made. Cost of calls in dollars, length of calls in minutes. Which of these is true about the scatter plot? A. As the length of the call increases, the cost of the call increases. B. As the length of the call increases, the cost of the call remains the same. C. As the length of the call increases, the cost of the call decreases. Or D. There is no relationship between the length of the call and the cost of the call. Number 2. The scatterplot shows the average number of hours each person spends at work every week and the average number of hours each of them spends on recreational activities each week. So you have recreational activity hours, work hours. Based on the scatterplot, what is the best prediction of the average number of hours a person spends at work each week if that person spends an average of 10 hours on recreational activities? So 10 hours recreational activities. Number 3. The manager of a restaurant recorded how many people were in different groups of customers and how much those groups spent on food. The scatterplot below shows the data she recorded. We have dollars, number of people. Based on the scatterplot, about how much money would a group of 10 people be expected to spend on food at this restaurant? Number 4. The scatterplot shows the number of hours that people spent learning to type on the keyboard and each person's average typing speed. Average typing speed, number of hours of learning. Based on the scatterplot, what is the best prediction of a person's average typing speed in words per minute if the person had spent 70 hours learning to type? Number 5. Which scatterplot suggests a linear relationship between x and y? Linear relationship. Number 6. The scatterplot shows the number of people in each of the 8 different households and the average amount of money each household spent on groceries. We have money spent in dollars, number of people. Based on the scatterplot, what is the best prediction of the average amount of money spent on groceries for a household that has 7 people? Number 7. Ben collected data from a group of 12 people. He measured each person's resting heart rate and recorded the average number of hours each person exercised per week. He created a scatterplot to show the data he collected. We have resting heart rate, average weekly exercise. Based on the scatterplot, what is the best prediction of the resting heart rate in beats per minute of the person who exercises an average of 8 hours each week? Last problem, number 8. Which of the following graphs represents a non-linear relationship? Which of these is non-linear?